Namaste दोस्तों, Shadruji Swadam wishes you a very happy Raksha Bandhan. I'll give you 5 seconds. Fatafat subscribe and hit the bell icon. Yippee! Now you'll get all our recipes within a minute. Chalo, let's get into Raksha Bandhan special episode. For Kova preparation, we are taking 1 liter full fat malai milk. Friends, many viewers asked us preparation of Kova, how to make Kova at home. So we are showing you preparation of Kova. We need to stir this well. Kova is just done by stirring. You just need to have patience. If it is correct and good milk, you need 1 hour for 1 liter of milk. So you can see this consistency. This is called as rabdi. This consistency is perfect for rabdi. Some people call it as basundi. Both are one and the same. At this point, we are adding 120 grams of sugar. If we add sugar, it is Kova. Without sugar, it is called Mava. That's the difference between Kova and Mava. If you bring the milk together without adding the sugar, you can also make gulab jamuns out of it. See friends, our Kova is getting thickened. Now, our Kova is getting separated from the kadai. It leaves all the edges neatly. So it indicates our Kova is ready. After removing from stove, we need to mix it and knead it well for 4 to 5 minutes. Then it gets more thickened. We need to leave this for 4 to 5 hours until our Kova becomes little dry. So we'll set it for 3 to 4 hours. Until then, we'll prepare for coconut burfi. We'll take 3 teaspoons of ghee. This is for the inside filling of the Kova. Take 1 cup of coconut. For 1 cup of coconut, we are adding half cup of jaggery. You can also add sugar instead of jaggery. You can add sugar half cup. But with jaggery, the taste will be much better and much tastier, and it's healthy also. We'll add 2 tablespoons of milk. This enhances the taste of our coconut burfi. We should keep mixing it until our jaggery dissolves. We should keep mixing it until this coconut and jaggery binds well. Now we'll put 1 teaspoon of ghee. This is for grease. Now we'll add our coconut and jaggery mixture and we'll spread it evenly. Press gently and pat well. After 3 to 4 hours, it will get set and will cut into pieces. Now coconut burfi is also ready. We have taken rose syrup for taste and we are adding it in the rose shape molds. If you don't have these molds, no issue. You can also add the Kova in the cup or you can also shape it from your hand. Now we are adding our Kova. Press it well. Now we are adding our coconut burfi in the middle and again we'll cover it with the Kova. Doesn't this recipe look so interesting? This taste is just amazing. I have no words to describe the taste. Now we'll let it set for 2 to 3 hours. Now friends, we are taking little more Kova. This is for the thread. I have kept you all in suspense till so long. We are making Kova Rakhi. So this is for our Rakhi thread. Now after 2 to 3 hours, let's see how our rose Rakhi comes. Wow friends, it looks so interesting and beautiful. Our tasty rose Kova Rakhi is ready. Sprinkle with some sugar balls. Doesn't it look so beautiful and interesting? To all the loving sisters out there, do these recipes for your naughty and lovely brothers and do this on special Raksha Bandhan occasion and show your love and affection for your brothers. See friends, we are showing you how to set up Raksha Bandhan thali. First give aarti for your brothers, then put kumkum for them. and tie Rakhi and feed this sweet. They'll just love Rose Goa Rakhi. Enjoy your Raksha Bandhan, friends. 1 minute, friends. If you haven't subscribed to Shatriji Swadamat, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment, share. Subscribe once and be a part of Shatriji Swadam family. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe. Bye bye, friends.